welcome to Simple Cooking. And today we're making an ice cream bowl. As you can see, we have our ice cream, our whipped cream, our pineapples, our strawberries, and our caramel syrup.
Okay, we are back, y'all, and I'm so glad that we are back. All right, let's get this going. I'm gonna start off with my ice cream. Okay. I feel like we've been going for a good while. Boy, this ice cream really hard to get out here. I'm gonna at least get 3 scoops out of there. At least get 3 out of there. Okay. And this ice cream here, after I make it, it's supposed to taste like a banana boat. Okay. You see, I got my pineapples. Pineapples. Okay, I got my strawberries. This is gonna be delicious. Strawberries. Okay. And my bananas. Bananas. Okay. And my whip. My whip, y'all, my whip. The ice cream is not ice cream, but that's the whip. Okay? Get on in there. Get in there, don't fall out of that bowl. Okay. And of course I got my alright. It don't want to stay, y'all. That's okay, because it's going to taste good. That's how you make your banana bowl.
We thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. See you next time.